Hi friends, welcome to Crackew's video series. Hope you are doing well with your CMAT and TISNET preparation. Today we are here to discuss general awareness questions for CMAT and TISNET. For more video updates, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's see the first question. Birhors are the type of tribes from which state of India? These are the type of tribes from Jharkhand state of India. They speak Birhor language which belong to Munda group of language. Next question. Guchi mushroom has been a GI tag for which state of India? It has been a GI tag for Jammu and Kashmir state of India. But this is the costliest mushroom that it costs 18,000 for 500 grams. Next question. Who is the founder of Shatavahana dynasty? Simukha is the founder of Shatavahana dynasty. Jitu Rai is associated with which sport? Jitu Rai is associated with shooting. He got Khel Ratna award in 2016. Next question. Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called as? It is called as kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. Which act made Central Legislature bicameral? Government of India Act 1919 has made Central Legislature bicameral. Bicameralism is the practice of having two houses of parliament. Two houses of parliament. Friends, Crackeu is providing the previous papers of CMAT and TISNET. Please do visit our website and download them for your better practice. Which state of India is called as land of temples? Tamil Nadu is called as land of temples. It is called as land of temples because more than 30,000 temples were built in Tamil Nadu by different rulers and different kingdoms, and they possess different type of architecture. Oldest stock exchange in Asia. Oldest stock exchange in Asia is Bombay Stock Exchange. It was founded in the year 1875. It is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai. What is the parent company of the brand Gillette? The parent company of the brand Gillette is Procter and Gamble. Which scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for the discovery of energy quanta? Max Carl Ernst Ludwig Planck has won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for the discovery of energy quanta. He is the German theoretical physicist who discovered quantum of action, also known as Planck's constant.
We at Crackeu provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Toshali National Crafts Mela is famous in which state of India? It is famous in Orissa state of India. CM Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated 15th edition of Toshali National Craft in Bhubaneswar. Next question. Padma Shri awardee Bismillah Khan was associated with which instrument? He was associated with Shehnai. According to Jain tradition, there were how many Tirthankaras? There were 24 Tirthankaras. Friends, Crackeu is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and good score. Sudirman Cup is associated with which sport? Sudirman Cup is associated with badminton sport. It was founded in the year 1989. In which color are the railway lines and telephone lines shown in topographic map? They were shown in black color. Who is the calligrapher of Indian Constitution? The calligrapher of Indian Constitution is Prem Bihari Narain Raizada. What is the capital of Sikkim? The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. LPG policy was introduced in which year? LPG policy was introduced in the year 1991. LPG means liberalization, privatization and globalization. This policy was intended to move towards higher economic growth rate and to build sufficient foreign exchange reserves. E-Kisan Dhan application has been launched by which of the following banks? It was launched by HDFC Bank. It provides latest farming news, information on seed varieties, Kisan TV and Mandi prices. Who is called as the Birdman of India? Salim Ali is called as Birdman of India. We can see Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary in Goa. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent TISSNET mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which Veda is associated with medicine? Atharva Veda is associated with medicine. Which animal was not seen during the period of Indus Valley Civilization? Lion was not seen during the period of Indus Valley Civilization. Division of nucleus during cell division is called as? Division of nucleus during cell division is called as karyokinesis and division of cytoplasm during cell division is called as cytokinesis. Who proposed Vardha scheme or basic education? Mahatma Gandhi has proposed Vardha scheme or basic education in the year 1937. This committee was assigned under the chairmanship of Dr. Zakir Hussain. This scheme came into practice in the year 1938. Majuli Island is located in which state of India? Majuli Island is located in Assam state of India. Friends, hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thank you.